Today I am going to show you about PHP data types. Data types is most important. When you write PHP code or PHP programming, you must have clear sense about PHP data types. Otherwise, you will mistakes and your code will not run exactly, or your output you will not get as your expectation. So let's go with me. I make some data types information and collect in what? PHP data types. Variable can store. In my previous tutorial, I have showed how to declare variable. So I hope you know the what is variable. Variable can store data of different types, and different data types can do different things. PHP supports the following data types below: string, integer, float, boolean, null, array, object, and resource data types. At a glance, the little description about data types. Number 1, string. String data types is a sequence of characters, such as I want to be a PHP programmer. This is a string. Notice that string type data must write into quotation like this. Okay. Integer number 2. Number 2, integer data type is a non-decimal number such as 1, 12, 19, 1000, etc. Okay, minus 1, minus 19, all are integer type data. Integer type data must be round figure and it will be positive or negative. Notice an integer data type must have at least one digit, and can be positive or negative. Number 3, float. Float data type is a number with a decimal point such as 1.5, 10.65, 68.6489, etc. That's not round figure. Number 4, boolean. Boolean data type maximum used in conditional testing in returns true or false. It will clear when I create live project. Okay. Number 5, null. Null means empty. You can setting a variable empty by null data type. Null is a special data type which can have only one value. Like when you run this code, you will check by PHP built-in function var_dump. Array, object, and resource is advanced level. In my next tutorial, I will discuss about array. I will try to simple take to you about it. Anyway, now let's go live to see the data types. All data types that's I have discussed now. Let's with me to see the live. Okay. First, open your control panel, XAMPP, start. I hope you can do now it. Go to your folder directory of XAMPP, htdocs, my first PHP tutorial that I have created in my first tutorial. Open it, edit with Notepad++, open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. Okay. Open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. Okay. PHP. This codes in our previous tutorial, just delete. Now write our first code, string. Okay. Write a variable, declare a variable data equal I love PHP. How to check the data type? PHP built-in function var_dump. Okay, this is the PHP built-in method that will help you to see or check the data type. Okay, just call the var underscore dump, then first bracket, then place your variable that you have declared, and your data, I love the PHP, is stored the data variable. Okay, now run string. You can see the string and 10 digit. This counted is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each character, okay, 10 character here. I love, and it will also counted the space. Okay, this is, so we can see it is a string type data. Now second, integer. Right here, 1, 5, something like that, 100. This is the integer data. Okay, also you can check by negative point integer. Okay, also you can use positive point, it will show as integer data type. Okay, now float data type. Float data type is a number with a decimal point. It is not round. Okay, just use 1.3, sorry, refresh your browser. You can see the float data type is float. Now you can see Boolean data type is always true and false. Just here write true, and you can see, refresh your browser, you can see the data type is Boolean. Okay, null, you can set our null data type in any variable. Like here I write, I love programming. Okay, now you can set also null this variable, data equal to null. Now check the data type, it will show the null. Okay, I hope you understand this. In the next tutorial, I will discuss about array. Array is the most important in PHP. I hope you will check this tutorial when I created. It's most important, and it will must learn, and you have the clear conception about array.